Okay, welcome back to our science sessions for the primary four. I hope you are all well. And let's start. Okay, we are considering what Unit 1, Concept 1. We are still discussing Unit 1, Concept 1, Adaptation and Survival. Okay, so what are we going to cover today is all of these except the last one. So we are going to talk about migration. We are going to talk about migration, okay, hibernation, digestive system, and respiratory system, and how do fish breathe. This one is going to postpone, يعني هيتأجل, okay, until the next session because it is a very large content, okay? So let's start. But first here we have some friends in the lobby, I think. Okay, let's start. Do you know what is migration? I need some students, but after watching this video, okay? Now we are going to watch a video. It is about the word migration. And after watching it, I'm going to ask you a few questions. So concentrate, focus while watching.
These large, beautiful birds are called sandhill cranes. They're in the middle of a long journey between the Gulf of Mexico and northern North America. They're migrating. Migration is the seasonal movement of animals from place to place. You decide. Why do you think these birds migrate? These birds migrate because it's easier for them to live and survive in another place during certain times of the year. This hummingbird, for example, migrates thousands of kilometers to a warmer place for the winter. Food is easier to find where it's warmer. These elk in Colorado also migrate, but a much smaller distance. In the warmer summer months, the elk easily find food in high mountain meadows. But in the fall, as the weather cools, they migrate to lower, warmer valleys. This valley location helps them avoid deep winter snows that make finding food difficult. There are several reasons that animals migrate. The main reason is to help them survive.
So now I want to see some of our friends, yes, to participate. Okay. Here we have the participants. Okay. Where is, yes, Amina? Can you
Yes,
please?
miss.
Yes, can you join me? And also your friend Dareen, okay? So, as we have watched the movie, did you watch the movie or the video?
Yes.
Okay, Dareen and Amina. Wait a minute, I'm going to ask some question. Okay, Amina, can you start by telling me what did you understand about the word migration?
Yes, I understood what mean of migration.
Yes, can you explain it to me?
Yes, migration means that a bird goes to another place to survive and adapt.
Okay, when?
Uh, in the winter,
Maybe in the winter. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Amina. Okay, let's listen to Doreen. Doreen, Okay.
What time?
Only birds migrate. Only birds migrate.
No.
So who migrates?
Um, I know it in Arabic.
No, why? Now we have watched in the movie.
Yes.
We have watched some, not the names. I don't
Generally.
want the exact names. You can say generally. So
Generally.
birds and what?
Generally.
Birds and
Gazelle.
no. Okay, some sort of animals. Okay,
Yeah.
هي اسمها elk.
And
Okay, elk.
understood what the meaning of migration. It migrates. The meaning of migrate? It moves from a place to another place when it's cold to be warm.
To be warm. Excellent, excellent, Dareen. And what about you, Amina? To be warm and also why? To be warm or to look for warmth. Okay, and also there is another reason. What about the food?
Yes, they also migrate to find a food in another this
Destination or what in another place. Okay, to find food.
yes
Okay,
to
when
find food
when
in
it is
another place.
yes, when it is
Winter.
cold in winter or in fall. سمعتوا كلمة fall دي؟ In fall
Yes.
هنا معناها ايه؟ The autumn. Do you know the autumn season?
Yes.
Okay, so in winter or in the fall season. خلاص؟ يبقى migration it is the time of the year, the season, okay, of the year in which some animals and birds, okay, migrate or leave or travels from a place to another one. Why? Looking for a warmer weather and also to look for food. Okay, طيب, one last question, Amina.
Yes.
Okay, one last question, Amina. What about the length? How many kilometers? Not exactly, but who travels more? Animals or birds?
Birds.
Of course, birds. Dareen. Dareen, are you here?
Yes.
Okay, why do you think birds travels more or migrate for a further destination or a further length? Why?
Because in America, it's like the birds who live in America.
Mm-hmm.
It's so cold, so they migrate to a warmer places,
Okay,
and it's also
I
easy
am
to find food.
excellent, excellent. But I'm asking you a certain question. بصي, concentrate, focus. I'm asking you, why are birds traveling further distances?
Because they have wings.
Excellent, yes. Because birds can fly. Okay, they have wings and they can fly. Of course, they can travel more and more and more distances. Okay, but the animals,
The other animals
okay,
don't
don't
have
have
wings, so
wings.
they yeah.
Yes, thank you, Dareen. Thank you, Amina. You were very clever. Thank you. So let's choose another guest. Where are they? Wait a minute. Yes, 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 yes. Where are my friends? I cannot find them easily, by the way. That's why I cannot choose all of you. I cannot find them easily. Wait. الله أكبر الله أكبر الله. Okay, here I have Muhammad Megid. Are you ready? Muhammad?
Yes, I'm ready.
Excellent. Be ready, always be ready, okay? And Maya, are you here? Maya?
Yes.
Okay. Now we have discussed the word migration. Is it clear for you both?
Yes.
Muhammad?
Yes.
Okay. So let's go
Yes.
to the other word. This is a new word. It is called what? It is,
Hibernation.
yes, hibernation. Hibernation.
Hibernation.
So this one was migration, but this one is,
This is hibernation.
what is hibernation? Hmm. Do you have any, background?
Yeah.
Can you give me?
And just a couch.
Okay, we are going to watch a small video, okay, to get the main idea of hibernation. So concentrate. You are going to be asked, okay? Also, all of you, primary four, I may choose another guest with me, okay?
We've just seen how some animals migrate to warmer places in the winter. But some animals have a different way of dealing with the cold winter season. They hibernate. You observe. Describe what this bear is doing.
So, what do you think this bear was doing?
Uh, I think he was like making the like in winter
Muhammad,
like the bear
what do you think
sleeps.
about this bear?
In winter
Hmm?
the bears like sleep so they can like so the cold
Okay.
like don't.
Yes. Excellent. They look like if they are sleeping or like this. صح؟ طيب Maya.
Yes.
Maya, what?
I think they're like uh they're like hugging each other to like
Yes. They are فاكرين. Do you remember the last time I talked about the penguin? قلنا البينجوينز بتعمل ايه في الcold weather? They are huddling.
huddling each other to make on the center one warm.
Warmth. Excellent. Okay, but this bear and the family of the bear, تمام, they were all sleeping. Okay? To get warmth. Okay, let's continue the video. We haven't watched finished yet. Okay?
Okay. Yes, I can't hear. Yes, we can't hear.
You can't hear?
Yes. Yes.
Wait.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
can you hear?
Mm.
Can you hear?
No. No.
Okay, wait a minute.
No. Can't hear the video.
Hey, wait a minute. Mm-hmm. Okay, I think now you can hear. Okay, let's start.
Yeah,
You observe.
Now you can hear, صح?
yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Now we can hear.
That's right. It's sleeping. Animals that hibernate, such as bears, snakes, and turtles, go into a kind of deep sleep in a spot protected from the harsh weather. During hibernation, their heart rate and breathing rate slow down. Some animals that hibernate, such as turtles, frogs, and snakes, don't move or eat for months at a time. When the weather warms, they come out of hibernation. Other animals that hibernate, such as bears, do occasionally wake up when the weather warms. Some bears even give birth to their cubs while hibernating. Hibernation is important to many animals because it allows them to sleep through the months when food is hard to find.
So, are you ready now to be asked?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, let's start with the ladies first. So we are going to start with Maya. So Maya, you have said that hibernation is the time that the animals went into the deep sleep. Okay, so
Yeah.
it's a period of time. It's a period of time in which some animals, the animals, okay, go into a deep what?
Sleep.
Ah,
Sleep.
yes, sleep. Okay, why? Let's see why.
Can
Why
I
do you
say?
think? Muhammad بقى. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, miss. It's because when the winter comes, they like the food is hard to find and it's like very cold, so they like sleep or like
Yes. Excellent. يبقى
they
it's hard to find food. صح? Because it's
rest.
hard to find food. And what else? Do you know another reason, Muhammad?
Yeah, and because it's like too cold.
Yes, to avoid, yes, avoid cold weather. To avoid cold weather. Excellent. Okay. Okay, what about Maya? There is another reason.
Um. They sleep so the coldness of the month can go.
Mm-hmm.
And then when the weather gets warmer and there
Uh-huh.
is a lot of food, they wake up.
Yes, of course. Thank you. But do you notice that they have mentioned the word to save? Save what?
And save their energy.
Yes, go. Bravo. يبقى save their energy. Okay? So, the hibernation is a process, okay, in which the animals go into a deep sleep. Okay? طبعا not all of the animals. Some animals migrate, some animals hibernate. فاهمين؟ يبقى كل واحد من animals have adequate way to adapt with the cold weather. Of course في structural adaptation. تمام. نسينا نقول what type of adaptation is hibernation? What do you think, محمد?
Winter.
Behavior,
What type of of adaptation?
behavioral,
Yes,
behavioral.
behavioral. Excellent, smart boy. Behavioral, okay, adaptation. And also, what about sorry, what about migration? Is it behavioral or structural?
Behavioral.
Also behavioral, okay? Behavioral. Okay. So let's go back to our, I don't want this one. Wait a minute. So let's go back. So hibernation also is a behavioral way, okay, to adapt with the cold weather. طبعا they are all having a thick fur like the penguin, like the bears, okay? This is a structural adaptation, but here it is a behavioral adaptation. Okay. And what examples of animals that hibernate? Do you know some examples, Maya?
Hibernate. Maybe.
Animals. I want you to mention some animals that hibernate.
Polar bear.
The bears, okay, not the polar bear. I don't think so. Huh? The bears, okay, bears. انت شفتي ان هم polar?
Yeah.
No. What the color of their fur?
Brown.
Brown or black? صح؟
Yeah.
يبقى they are bears who lived in the where? We have covered that we have two kinds of birds. احنا عندنا two kinds of birds. Sorry, of bears. Two kinds of bears, okay?
Birds.
طيب, where polar and the polar bears live in the Antarctica or the Arctic pole, okay?
Of
And
course.
the other one is excellent. Yes, this is Muhammad.
Yes.
Okay, thank you for your participation. Forest bear. Will fur of this forest bear maybe brown or black?
Black.
Yes, what about polar bears, Maya?
Polar bear, they have white.
Excellent, okay. So here we have some example of the animals that hibernate in the winter. عندنا الforest bear, okay? And we have some snakes, صح?
And turtles.
Yeah.
Excellent, turtles, yes. And some turtles. خلاص? Got it?
Frog.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Let's see another friend. Thank you for participation. Okay.
So,
Let's see if there is another person outside. No? Okay, now I have Hannah. Hannah.
Yes.
Okay, thank you for being ready. And I think I have here also Is. Is it correct? Is? Is, are you ready? Is, you aren't here. Okay.
I'm here.
You're great. لحقت نفسك يا عز صدقني. Okay, let's go further. Now it's time for review. Now we are going to revise what we have covered from the start or the beginning of the sessions. خلاص؟ عندنا أسئلة حلوة. Let's start. Now who's going to start? Hannah. Okay? Which of the following is the correct definition of the word adaptation? Can you please read it?
Which of the following is the correct definition of the word adaptation? Looking after offspring that are not your own to help them survive. A change that help a plant or animal survive in their environment.
Environment, yes.
Being skilled
Being skilled.
at being skilled at hiding
Hiding.
from
Hiding. يعني
hiding
to be a very smart in hiding from predators. Okay?
and avoiding being eaten.
Eaten. Okay. So what do you think is the most correct or the most suitable definition for the word adaptation? Okay? What do you think, Hannah? Hannah? Think loudly يا Hannah. طيب, do you know the word offsprings?
Yes.
Babies, okay? يبقى looking after babies that are not your own كمان يعني they are not mine, not my babies, not my offspring, and to help them survive. Is it this what is meant by adaptation?
No.
Of course no. So I'm going to exclude. لازم نتعود نعمل exclusion. يعني ايه exclusion يا شباب؟ يعني نكنسل الإجابة اللي هي it seems all wrong. خلاص؟ يعني الإجابة اللي هي واضحة قوي 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 إن إحنا مش مظبوطة ومش لوجيك، مش ماشية مع العقل بتاعنا، تمام؟ بنعمل لها exclusion. أوكي؟ we excluded يعني omitted. خلاص؟ نكنسلها. طيب let's look at answer B.
A change that helps a plant or animal survive in their environment.
So
Um,
there is some, very important words here in this one. Keyword هنسميهم key words. يعني ايه key words؟ يعني كلمات مهمة جدا بتفهمنا، تمام، ان احنا ماشيين في الاتجاه الصحيح. يبقى what is the key word, the first key word in B؟ في كلمة مهمة هنا قوي، كلمتين الحقيقة. yes. أول واحدة ايه بقى؟ what do you think؟
change.
Excellent, Hannah. برافو عليكي. Yes, this is a key word. So I'm going to put a star. Okay? A change that helps a plant or animal survive in their environment. What is the other key word?
Survive.
Yes, smart girl. Thank you. Okay, and here being skilled. يعني ايه skilled يا جماعة؟ احنا عارفين skill يعني مهارة. اوكي؟ يبقى being skilled يعني being smart. اوكي؟ at hiding from predators. ان احنا نعرف نستخبى من الناس اللي عايزة تفترسنا. اوكي؟ and avoiding being eaten. نتجنب ان احنا نبقى ايه؟ نتاكل. يعني avoid to be another animal's meal مثلا او food. Is this the definition of adaptation?
No.
Okay, so the word adaptation. اوكي؟ عندها كذا كي وورد. كلمة change، صح؟ كلمة survive، ممكن كلمة تانية بتاعت long period أو over generations، صح؟ وممكن برضو يبقى في كلمة body، ممكن behavior. كل دي keywords for the word adaptation. So which is the correct answer, Hannah?
B.
Excellent, yeah, Hannah. Thank you a lot. Thank you. You've done a great job. Okay, let's go back with Iz. Iz, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, welcome. Let's see, what can you see in this picture?
A bunny.
Bunny, حلو. Okay, a bunny or a rabbit. Okay, it's not a small bunny. Okay, it's a rabbit. Okay, and let's read together. Read the question. Yeah, Iz.
A jackrabbit has very large ears. How
Mhm.
does this adaptation help them survive in the desert heat?
Okay, so now he is asking about this jackrabbit. طب يا مس أنا مش عارف يعني إيه jackrabbit. ماشي، إحنا قلنا divide the word into two parts. دايما بنقسم الكلمة عشان نفهم. لو أنا مش فاهم يعني إيه jackrabbit بس أنا فاهم يعني إيه rabbit. زي ما أنت قلت إيه bunny. Okay, so this kind of rabbits is called what? Jackrabbit.
Jackrabbit.
And so he is asking about the desert heat. So it lives in the desert. صح؟
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
The same as the fennec fox, the same as the jerboa. لو تفتكر. Okay, if you can remember, we have studied two different animals who lives in the desert. اللي هو fennec fox وعندنا الجربوة. They both have long ears. Also, the jackrabbit have a long ear. Why do you think how does this adaptation اللي هي large ears help them to survive the hot weather? What do you think? Read the answers.
Jackrabbits flap their ears to fan themselves and keep cool.
يعني think about it. What is this meaning? What is the meaning of this sentence? Flap their ears. ماشي؟ Flap their ears to fan themselves. انت عارف كلمة fan؟
No.
مش عارف الفان؟
No, I know it. I know.
Okay. يبقى do they use their ears to fan themselves?
No.
Of course not. هم بيستخدموا ودانهم زي المروحة يعني بيهووا على نفسهم؟ No way. صح؟
No.
يبقى what can I do?
X.
Exclude.
And read letter B.
Yes, read it.
Jackrabbits use their ears to absorb the cool air at night. Of course, no.
Of course no, because it's not logic برضو. Yes, لأن هو بيقول لك desert heat والheat ده بيبقى at night ولا at day؟
At day.
حلو. بصوا يا حبايبي دلوقتي we are doing another skill. احنا دلوقتي بنعمل طريقة تانية عشان نفهم الأسئلة والأجوبة. بنعمل relation. لازم we must look about a relation between words. بنشوف ايه العلاقة ما بين الكلمات وبعضها. يعني المفروض تقولي ازاي he is asking or saying at night while he is asking about heat. وفي الديزرت when it is very hot at day ولا at night؟
At day.
day. حلو قوي. يبقى once ان الانسر فيها كلمة night يبقى I also must exclude it. Okay?
Yes.
Thank you. Let's see the last one.
Blood flows to their ears and allows heat to escape into the air. Correct.
Correct. Yes, this is the correct. And you are very smart, Az. Thank you. Thank you a lot for participating. So, blood flows to their ears. بصوا الطريقة دي كل الانيمالز اللي هما they have all long or large ears بيستخدموها. ازاي؟ بيبقى الاير very thin رفيعة جدا رقيقة وfull of blood vessels مليانة blood vessels اللي هي الأوعية الدموية. اوكي يبقى فيها a lot of blood vessels. بيحصل بقى heat exchange. لو تفتكروا we have discussed this word in the penguin. فاكرين بيعمل ايه؟ heat exchange زي الفكرة بتاعت البلاد vessels بتاعت البنجوينز feet. اوكي يبقى البلاد vessels هنا بتطلع الحرارة بتاعت الجسم through air لما بتتعرض للهواء. اوكي هي thin air ears they do heat exchange بتطلع الهواء السخن. اوكي طيب let's go back. Thank you Az.
You are welcome.
Thank you. Okay, let's admit those who are out and Hannah also. Where are you, Hannah? Yes, thank you. طيب let's see here. Aser and I want also Marwan. Aser and Marwan. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's start with Aser. Aser, can you read the question?
Okay. Some planets in the rainforest grow very close to the ground.
Can I say something, Aser?
What?
Can I say something? What is this word? What is this word? Plants.
Word. I can
Plants.
see it.
Plants. أهي.
Plants. The
Yes,
plants in the picture.
Okay, these are some plants in the picture. He
Yes.
says what? Read it again.
Some plants in the rainforest grow very close to the ground and have pretty
لا brightly color. يعني ايه bright colors؟
like
Are they dark? Are they dark?
no
يبقى not dark. Bright colors يعني not dark. بنسميها light colors أو bright colors. Not dark, not dim. مش غامقين. تمام؟ لا دي ألوان فاتحة وألوان حلوة. Okay? So they grow very close to ground. خلي بالك هم فين مكانهم؟ Take care. في الرين forest. They are very close to ground. يبقى دول not trees. They are just plants growing near to the ground. and they have bright colored flowers. حلو، عندهم flowers very brightly colored. لو تفتكروا المرة اللي فاتت احنا قلنا ان البرايت color او لما بتبقى عندي الفلاور بتبقى colorful. flowers بتبقى colorful يعني الوانها حلوة وزاهية وكتيرة. ده بيدينا indication ان هي عاملة كده ليه تفتكر؟
I think because they make like this to be like the last session I was not here, so
Okay, never mind. عارفين كلمة pollination؟
yes, I know.
Okay, يبقى to attract insects, to attract bees. تمام؟ and some cases to attract even bats عشان يحصل البولينيشن. حلو؟ يبقى تاني لازم نفهم ونثبت الموضوع ده في دماغنا كويس قوي. أول ما بنلاقي bright color flowers يبقى it is adapted to attract يعني تجذب، تشد ليها مين؟ الانسكتس، البيز، الباتس. اوكي. How does this help them to survive؟ هو هنا بيسأل، he is asking about this kind of plants and flowers. How does all these characters and traits help them to survive? Okay, read the answers يا آسر.
It always them to
No, wait a minute. This is called allow. allow يعني يسمح.
okay.
تسمح لهم بإيه؟ It allows them.
Yeah.
Read it again.
It allows them to attack insect to pollution them.
Not pollution,
Okay,
my dear. دي مش pollution. Take care. Read it.
Okay. Pollinate.
Pollinate. Excellent. يبقى it allows them to attract insects to pollinate them.
No, the
Okay.
first one is wrong.
Wrong? طيب let's go and read again. يلا كمل.
It
Offers
them protection from the rain.
طيب offers يعني give أو gives them protection. يعني كون إن هم تحت كده it offers them from protection from the rain. ماشي؟ بتديهم إن هم حماية. protection, guard. عارف كلمة guard؟ حماية. Okay? It guards them from rains. بتديهم حماية من المطر. Okay? ولا it allows them to get the most sunlight.
Just try to think.
When are you going to think? Please relate to the words here. يعني يا آسر لما تيجي تفكر يا حبيبي لازم تقرا السؤال تاني. يعني هو بيقول لك ان البلانتس دي هي في الرين فورست. حلو؟ تعالى نتخيل عندنا الرين فورست دي عامله ازاي؟ فيها شجر كتير وعالي، شجر كبير قوي وعالي وكتير، وفي نفس الوقت في هنا فلاورز وبلانتس تحت. حلو؟ طيب
Okay.
احنا قلنا الرين فورست الكلايمت فيها او الويذر فيها دايما sunny او warm. انا قلت لكم 2 W's warm و wet لان في رينز كتير وفي نفس الوقت حر وهيوميد. حلو. طيب لما يبقى في فلاورز تحت كده تحت خالص وفي شجر فوق، مين which one is going to get the large amount of sunlight؟
If the tree on top of the plants, it will block here, so the sun can.
Yes, good job. حلو. يبقى it allows them to get most sunlight. أكيد not a correct answer. صح؟
So it's not. So it's B.
Excluded. It's excluded. Okay?
Yeah.
طيب what about number B?
Number B. It's you say in the rainforest there's rain and there's sunny like this.
Yes.
So I think it's number B.
طيب wait a minute، انت بتقول number B. اوكي it offers them protection from the rain. دي حقيقة ان كونهم تحت على الارض بيديهم protection from the rain. بس هل هو ده، شوف هو بيسأل على ايه بقى يا آسر. آسر ركز كده معايا حبيبي في السؤال وانت اللي هتجاوب. اوكي هو بيقول لك how does this help them to survive.
Okay.
السرفايفل ده قلنا a change بيحصل
It's
عن
number
طريق
A.
adaptation to survive. survive يعني to get offspring، تستمر في الحياة وتقدر تعمل again and again flowers again and again. يبقى ايه البروسيس اللي بيحصل بيها السرفايفل للبلانتس؟
It's number A because the insect attracts
Yes.
them
Excellent, excellent, excellent آسر. You deserve a great present. Thank you يا آسر. Yes, this is a way I must think يا جماعة. يعني هي الجملة اللي البي دي مش غلط. اوكي It offers them protection from the rain. Yes. لما يبقوا تحت كده والرينز كلها واقعة فوق، فكون ان هم يبقوا near the ground يبقى بيعمل protection from the rain. بس هل البروتكشن من الرين ده بيضمن لهم السرفايفل، ولا البولينيشن هي اللي بتحقق لهم السرفايفل؟ لا، يبقى اول ما يقولوا سرفايفل في البلانتس لازم على طول افتكر كلمه pollination. والبولينيشن بيتحقق بايه؟ بالانسكتس او البيز النحل. اوكي وسامتايمز بالباتس الخفافيش. اوكي thank you Esther. Thank you a lot. I have another friend. Marwan, I think. Marwan? Marwan? Marwan Muhammad, are you here?
Yes.
Yes, thank you for being ready. Thank you. Let's go on. Marwan, look with me. This is a very nice question, okay? Polar bears, can you read it?
Yes.
Okay, go on and hurry up. يلا.
Polar bears have adapted to living in environment by growing long, sharp claws. How does this adaptation help them survive?
طيب wait a minute.
Their
لازم نفهم
claws
السؤال.
allows them to
Wait a minute.
to find
مروان.
food.
مروان.
Their claws help them
مروان.
appear
مروان.
attractive
Yeah.
to and
Okay. The question is asking about what? Polar bears have adapted to living in their environment by growing long, sharp claws. يبقى هنا he is asking about the long, sharp claws. Where are the claws? أهي. Okay?
yes.
Okay,
Yes.
these are the claws. Okay, يبقى
Yes.
the polar bear has a long, sharp claw.
Yes.
And how does this exactly help them to survive? يبقى هو هنا بيسأل على ازاي الكلوز دي because they are long and sharp helps the polar bear to survive. ما بيسألش على أي adaptation تاني. Okay? Take care. You have read the answers.
Yes.
So, number 1. Their claws allow them to dig into deep snow to find food. Or their claws help them appear attractive to mate. Or their claws help them to protect themselves from predators. What do you think? Marwan? Which one?
No.
Which one? Marwan, I think your internet connection is not stable. Marwan.
C.
Please, please, please. Marwan.
C.
C. Okay, let's look. Wait a minute. Okay, wait a minute. Their clothes help them protect them from predators. طيب. See? طيب اللي هي آخر واحدة يا مروان صح؟
Yes.
Okay. But what do you think? This is the polar bear.
C.
Who is the predator of polar bears? فكر معايا هو البولار بير عنده predator ممكن ياكله؟
Yes.
Who is it? مين هو البريدتور بتاع البولار بير؟ مفيش predator. تمام؟ مفيش predator هيتخانق معاه لان هو اقوى واحد في الايه في الايكو سيستم اللي هو عايش فيه. اوكي؟ مروان
The seal.
The seal يا مروان.
Maybe.
No, of course no. Why? Because the polar bear is the most strongest or the strongest bear in their ecosystem. حلو؟ يبقى أكيد هو مش عايز الكلوز دي علشان يهرب من البريداتورز، عايزها عشان حاجة تانية تساعده في السرفايفل. What do you think?
The clothes allow them to dig into deep snow to find food.
Yes, excellent. برافو. يبقى this is the correct answer. يبقى شفت احنا فكرنا ازاي؟ يبقى we are thinking about this long sharp claws and we have said that this one is correct, maybe correct اللي هي بتاعت البريداتورز. But when I think deeply بقى لما بفكر قوي بقى بلاقي ان who is the predator of the polar bear؟ مفيش في الايكو سيستم. اوكي؟ يبقى هو ممكن بقى يستخدمها for survivor ازاي؟ He wants all the time to look for the fish for example.
The white
okay?
tiger.
The white tiger?
Yes.
Yes, but not that much. في حاجة صح وفي حاجة أصح يا مين معايا مروان صح؟
Yes.
Okay يا مروان you are very smart boy by the way. والله بجد عشان انت فكرت في كلمة سيل وعشان انت كمان فكرت في كلمة الوايت تايجر. Thank you a lot. Thank you حبيبي. Okay. يلا let's see another participant. Okay, Lara Muhammad, are you ready? Lara Muhammad Tahir?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. And also Karma Ahmad?
Yes.
Karma, do you have a sister?
Yes.
Okay, Lara برضو صح؟
Yeah.
يبقى لارا محمد الأول.
I have a
then
boy.
Karma, then Lara, the twin. خلاص؟
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Let's start with Lara Muhammad. Lara, can you read the question?
Yes.
Okay, go on.
When rabbits stole
No, spot. يعني ايه spot؟ يعني notice.
a large animal, they based on the spot red couple thing.
بصي بقى بالراحة عشان ايه لازم نعرف نقرا عشان نفهم. اوكي؟ بصي بقى again. When rabbits spot a larger animal. spot a larger animal. تفتكري ممكن نعرف معنى كلمة spot دي يعني ايه؟ Can you guess the meaning?
They stop in its place.
Yes, but not this one. بصي انت شاطرة انك عرفتيها، بس كلمة freeze. حلو؟ لا هنا I'm asking you about the word spot. When the rabbit spot a large animals. يعني لما الرابت بتعمل ايه؟ Excellent. برافو. When it sees a large animal. حلو قوي. يبقى when it spot a larger animal يعني when it see. هنا احنا بنعمل سكيل يا جماعة اسمها how to guess the meaning from the context. يعني ازاي افهم معنى الكلمة من الكلام اللي بيتقال. اوكي؟ يبقى excellent يا لارا. You are guessing very nicely. اوكي يبقى when the rabbits see or spot a large animal what do they do? They freeze on the spot. On the spot ده expression كده معناه في التو واللحظة، يعني now حالا. أول ما بتشوف الأرانب a large animal they at once they stop at once يقفوا في مكانهم. اوكي being completely still. being completely still دي ممكن ما نفهمهاش صح يا لارا؟
Yes.
اوكي لو حاجة مش فاهمينها يا إما بنحاول نفهمها من الكلام يا إما بنطنشها خالص ولا كأنها موجودة. تمام؟ طب تعالي نحاول كده نطنشها كل الكلام ده ونقرا تاني. When rabbits spot a large animal they freeze. اوكي؟ قولي دي كمان مش فاهماها مش مهم. They freeze. وعرفنا ان freeze يعني بيقفوا في محلهم ما بيتحركوش. They do not move. So this makes it harder for someone or some predators to see them. It makes it harder for some predators to see them. كده انتي فاهمة؟
Yes.
يبقى what did we do now؟ أنا جات لي شوية كلمات مش قادرة أفهمها، بس في كلمة زي كلمة spot قدرت أفهمها from the context. يعني I can understand it well from the context. يعني إيه context؟ يعني من الكلام اللي مكتوب. يبقى when rabbits spot a large animals لما when rabbits see. وبعد كده قابلتني شوية كلمات كتير مش فاهمها. طنش 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 كل الكلام اللي أنت مش عارفه مفيش مشكلة. وتقرا تاني الجمله من غيره. اوكي يبقى they freeze and it makes it harder for some predators to see them. Which kind of adaptation is this يا لارا؟
Behavior.
Behavioral. Okay, can you tell me why?
Because he making something.
He is doing something. He is making something. He is, you know, it is not a structure in his body. خلاص؟ يعني مش شكل ودانه، مش شكل عينه، مش شكل رجله. اوكي؟ يبقى this is excellent يا لارا. This is a behavioral adaptation. ممتاز. يبقى هنا we got an information about the rabbits. And some rabbits when they spot a large animal they freeze. They stop at once. And this makes it hard for predators to see them. برافو يا لارا. Okay, now Karma. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay يا كارما. Take a deep breath. خدي نفس كده read. يلا. Many animals.
Many animals adapt to survive in cold environment.
Okay.
It's how the Arctic fox
Arctic fox. برافو. Adapted.
adapt to survive the cold.
يبقى here he is asking about the adaptation of this Arctic fox in the cold. تمام؟ Okay, let's see the answers يا كارما.
Okay.
The Arctic fox.
The Arctic fox uses camouflage.
camouflage. قوليها ورايا يا كرمة. camouflage. لا نفتح بقنا في فلاج كده، اوكي، عشان تطلع حلوة. اوكي، camouflage. فلاج. قوليها. حلو، اوكي. camouflage to survive the cold.
Yes, maybe.
Maybe. Okay, go on.
The article book
Hibernates. Hibernates.
hibernate
Okay.
in the winter to survive the cold.
Mm-hmm.
No.
Okay. What about the sea?
Seek for help. The article book survive the cold.
What do you think is the correct answer?
Mm, C.
C. Yes, correct. برافو عليك يا كرمة. But let's think. انت قلتي أول واحدة maybe correct، صح؟
Oh.
Okay, but what about the camouflage? What is the reason, the main reason of camouflage? لما بيبقى الانيمال is using the camouflage, why do you think? عشان ال cold weather?
No, because to eat or if any animal want to eat it, he
Yes.
make camouflage.
Excellent يا كرمة. يبقى to avoid predators. دايما نفكر فيها كده. يبقى الكاموفلاج number one أساسا to avoid predators. Sometimes to eat prey or to catch prey. بس الأساسي عندي to avoid predators. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. يبقى what adaptation suits the cold weather? The thick fur. The thick fur. Excellent. Excellent يا كرمة. Okay. Laura,
Yes.
can you please go on with this question?
Okay. The great rockfish
Yes.
has
Adapted
its
appearance
appearance to blend in with its surrounding.
بصي اسمها ايه بقى؟ surrounding. surroundings. يعني ايه surround؟ surround يعني everywhere. my everywhere things. الحاجات اللي بتحيط بيا، الحاجات اللي حواليا في كل حتة. يبقى هنا the great rockfish. يبقى this is a picture of a fish. حلو؟ Can you see the fish?
Yes.
Yes, because I am zooming. تمام؟ لو صغرت لك الشاشة كده بصي مش هتعرفي تاخدي بالك منها. اوكي؟ بصي كده. You cannot.
Yes.
طيب let's go back. يبقى again this is what is called the rockfish. طب أنا أول مرة أسمع عن كلمة rockfish and this is the first time to see this word. But I can divide the word into two parts. صح؟
Yes.
Rock and fish. If I don't know the meaning of the word rock يعني مثلا ولو ان احنا شاطرين وعارفين يعني ايه rocks. Okay, but I know the word of the word fish. صح؟
Yes.
Yes, يبقى it is very easy. I can understand the word by dividing it. طيب, go on. يبقى it adapted to its surroundings يعني ايه surroundings؟ يعني الانفايرمنت، كل ما يحيط بيها. It is adapted by blending. Okay? This is known as
camouflage.
كامو. بصي
camouflage.
قسميها كاموفلاج. اوكي؟ كاموفلاج.
camouflage.
يلا نقولها بقى بسرعة. كاموفلاج.
camouflage.
Excellent, excellent girl. This is known as camouflage. يبقى this case of the rockfish, when it, the appearance of it is blend in with the surroundings, is called camouflage. Why do animals change their appearance in this way?
To hide from. Miss, I can't see.
This is hide. مش احنا المرة اللي فاتت قلنا الماجيك اي دي اسمها hide، يعني نستخبى. اوكي؟ to keep away. You can't see me. Okay? To hide from predators.
Okay.
Or to attract a mate. A mate يعني a husband or a wife. صح. A husband or a wife.
Yes.
يبقى is the reason for camouflage is to attract a mate?
No.
طيب. Is it number C, to capture prey?
Yes.
Yes. احنا لسه قايلين في السلايد اللي قبليها ان الكاموفلاج for two main reasons. Number one, to hide from predators. Number two, to capture prey. بس قلنا في واحدة بتبقى هي الأساس، هي الأصح، هي السبب الأكبر. إيه هو السبب الأكبر يا لارا؟
I said C.
نو يا لارا. تخيلي يا لارا، لو انتي في حد عايز يجري وراكي وياكلك يفترسك. اوكي؟ فانتي كل همك هتبقى ان انتي تستخبي منه ولا ان انتي تدوري على اكل؟
No,
What do you think? You will try to hide.
Yeah, I will go to
hide يعني نستخبى. قوليها، استخدميها. يلا. I will try to
hide.
Excellent. You are going to try to hide from predator. حلو؟ يبقى لما يكون عندي a question about camouflage and they put the two correct answer، يعني دي correct ودي correct، لازم هيبقى فيه one is the most suitable. Which is the most suitable one?
A.
Excellent يا لارا. Thank you for being with me. Thank you. Good job. طيب. Let's go to find another friends. تعالوا نشوف. والله أنا بدور على مين. عندنا آمن. Is it correct? Is it correct? Here, if you hear آمن.
Miss. ايش أنا هنا.
Yes, welcome. And مريم. Allow Mike. يلا يا مريم. مريم, are you here?
Can I answer?
Who is this? Amin?
Yes.
Amin and Mariam. I will start with Amin, okay?
Okay.
يلا يا Amin. Read it. The photograph.
The photograph shows some giant water lily plants.
No. Wait. This word is called giant. Giant يعني huge. كبيرة قوي. عملاقة. Okay? The photograph shows some giant. قولها ورايا كده. Yes.
Giant.
Excellent.
Giant.
Some
Water
giant
lily.
water lily plants. حلو.
How have these plants adapted to make sure that they get enough
No,
light?
enough.
enough
E
light.
enough. ودي الجي اتش هننطق كأنها اف. enough. Okay.
Okay.
طيب now he is asking me about something which is adaptation to have enough light. حتى يا آمن لو أنت مش فاهم يعني إيه كلمة enough، بس إحنا فاهمين كلمة light، صح؟
Yes.
يبقى what is the suitable adaptation to get light or enough light؟ enough يعني مناسب، يعني كافي. إيه الادابتيشن اللي في البلانتس دي، ليلي بلانتس دي that can make them have enough light? What do you think? Wait a minute. I'm going to accept some people.
They have brightly colored flowers.
Mm-hmm.
They have circular leaves.
Mm-hmm.
They have floating leaves. They have very long stems.
واحدة بقى ونفكر، صح؟ يلا فكر معايا وبصوت عالي.
Letter A.
A.
Yes.
طيب افتكر كده، أنا هرجع لك كل السلايدز دي عشان نتكلم تاني مع بعض. فاكر السلايد دي؟
أنا ما كنتش موجودة المرة اللي فاتت أو اللي قبليها.
Never mind. احنا اللي قلنا النهارده الكلام ده، النهارده احنا قلنا لما بنلاقي bright colors تمام للفلاورز او للبلانتس، ده معناه ان هو ليه to attract الانسكتس. برضو ليه؟ علشان يحصل حاجة اسمها pollination. ماشي؟ والبولينيشن دي عشان النبات يقدر يعمل offsprings، يبقى to survive. تمام؟ تعالى بقى نروح تاني سوري للسؤال بتاع الليلي plants اهو. يبقى if the plants have brightly colored flowers، قلنا أول ما هنشوف كلمة brightly colored flowers it means إن عشان to attract الانسكتس، تمام؟
No.
ويحصل البولينيشن. ماشي، هيحصل إن هيبقى فيه offspring وهيحصل السرفايفل وكل حاجة، بس هو هنا بيسأل على حاجة حلوة قوي لو تركزي كده. عندنا enough light، يبقى ما بيسألش عن السرفايفل بتاع الاوف سبرينج والبولينيشن، لا، هو النبات ده عمل ايه علشان يقدر ياخد كمية ضوء كبيرة.
Okay.
ايه
What means circular?
Do you don't know the meaning of the word circle?
No.
طب خلاص، مش احنا قلنا نفصص الكلمة وكل حاجة ليها روت؟ هنا أصل الكلمة عندي circle، دايرة. مش انت شايف circular leaves؟
Yes.
leaves have a circle shape. طيب هي كونها انها circle كده يبقى هتخليها to get more light؟
No.
طيب they have floating leaves.
No. No.
طيب طب شوف the last one, they have very long stems.
Yes.
طب where are the stems of this plant?
It's underwater.
Underwater. طيب underwater how can they go a large amount of light؟ هو مين اللي مسؤول اصلا انه يعمل الفود وياخد اللايت في النبات. which part any plant. بص
Root.
any plant بيبقى عنده stem ويبقى عنده roots تحت الأرض، تمام، ويبقى عنده فوق leaves. which part
Yes.
يعني عندي stem وعندي root وعندي leaf. which part of the plant makes the food and takes light and water and oxygen. أنهي جزء في النبات اللي بيعمل
Root.
الروت؟ آخ يانا. no wait a minute. بص بقى نركز. النبات بيعمل الأكل بتاعه جوه الليف. حلو الكلام؟ تمام؟
Okay.
حلو اوكي. يبقى عشان to make my own food أنا plant أهو. to make my own food I need leaves أو leaves. I need sun. I need air. حلو؟ يبقى which part is going to need the light؟ الستم
Leaves.
ولا leaves؟
Leaves.
حلو قوي، برافو عليك. حلو، يبقى can I consider the last one أو the last option ده دي ينفع يبقى صح؟ They have very long stems.
No.
يبقى مين اللي need which one أو which part leaves؟ أو أيوه أخيرا وصلنا، برافو، الحمد لله على السلامة. Thank you. أوكي، يا رب نكون فاهمين. طيب now مين؟ مريم؟ مريم.
Yes.
Welcome مريم. بصي لي على الفروج دي. Can you see this frog؟
Yes.
Yes. Is it green as we يعني notice احنا we are familiar with the green frogs صح؟
Yes.
طيب why do you think is it colored or green only؟
Colored.
colored. طيب انت عارفة ان في many colored frogs around us؟
Yes. Yes.
Okay, why do you think؟ تفتكري لما بشوف ضفدعة ملونة يا مريم، okay, when I see a brightly colored frog، احنا قلنا brightly colored plant ده معناه it attracts الانسكت ويحصل pollination. انما بقى ال brightly colored frogs هل دي حاجة حلوة ولا حاجة وحشة؟ What do you think؟
I think it's a good thing.
Good for whom؟ Good for the frog or good for the predator؟
For the frog.
طيب. Yes, excellent girl. طيب let's read the question. حلو، انت جه في نصيبك كده شويه سؤال مليان، بس تعالي نفكر مع بعض عشان انت بنوته شاطره. Okay, let's read the question. Can you read it؟
Okay. There are many dangerous predators.
لا let's read it. تعالي نقرا الكلمه دي عشان الكلمه دي مهمه يا مريم. predators. predator اسمها ايه؟
Predator. Predators.
excellent، برافو عليكي، ظبطتيها. predators. okay. يبقى
Okay.
there are many dangerous predators in the Amazon rainforest.
The predators.
طيب انت do you know the meaning of the Amazon؟
No.
طيب can you guess؟
Amazon.
Is it an animal? Is it a place? Is it a fruit? What do you think؟
A place.
برافو، شطورة شطورة. عارفة ليه؟ لأنه هو هنا كمان capitalized، مكتوبة capital letter. مش احنا أخدنا في الإنجليش إن النيمز بتاعت مثلا أنا اسمي مها فأنا هكتبه capital M والباقي small. مريم أهي اوكي؟ يبقى ما دام عندي الكلمة capitalized يبقى it's a name. حلو؟
Okay.
طيب let's go on. Read the rest of the question. يبقى there are very dangerous predators in the Amazon rainforest. Okay?
Okay.
Go on, read. يلا.
The skin of the poison.
ايوه قربتي شطوره. poison. اوكي مش بنقولها poison، لا الاو دي مش بننطقها كده. بصي poison. اوكي يبقى the skin of the poison dart frog is toxic. اوكي عارفه معنى كلمه poison؟
Poison is like a color.
لا خالص. عارفه انا هرسم لك رسمه كده انت هتعرفيها. ايه ده what do you think لما اقول لك this is a poison؟ this
Like
is a poison.
Someone died.
ايوه لو if I drink this poison what will happen؟
Die.
yes die. يبقى this is the poison يعني سم. اوكي يبقى the skin of the poison dart frog، ودارت عشان هي زي منقطه كده ومنغمشه. اوكي هي this is a frog. this is a type of frogs اسمها poison dart frog. بيقول لك ان السكين بتاعها is toxic. toxic يعني برضو سام. toxic يعني causes death يتسبب في الموت او الوفاه. اوكي يبقى the skin is toxic. الحقي the skin is toxic يعني poisonous يعني cause death. حلو when eaten. how else has this frog adapted to survive predators؟ يعني هو قال لك number one the skin is poisonous or toxic. قولي ورايا يا مريم. toxic or poisonous. excellent. يبقى toxic or poisonous يعني cause death. اوكي هو بيقول لك ان السكين causes death of the predator. طيب what else؟ ازاي بقى هي كمان adapted؟ تعالي نشوف. to survive predators يبقى ازاي هي بتهرب برضو من البريدتورز؟ تعالي نشوف كده.
Okay. It's brightly colored skin.
brightly. مريم read this word. brightly.
Yes.
it's brightly colored.
Brightly colored.
حلو. colored skin warns animals away. Number B.
Its feet are not webbed, making it poor swimmer.
عارفة الكلمة دي يعني ايه webbed؟ بصي this is the feet for example of the frog or the duck. خلاص؟
اوكي
بيبقى في كده structure هنا. اوكي هنا between الفينجرز. خلاص بتبقى رجليها عاملة كده. الستراكشر ده اللي بالازرق ده بالمنظر ده كده بيخلي لها رجليها ايه شبه هي. عارفه انت الزعانف اللي بنلبسهم لما بنروح نغطس ونعوم؟
yes.
تمام يبقى this structure is called أو this feet is called webbed feet. webbed feet مش webbed. لا، كأن البي التانية مش موجودة، هي just one B، فاحنا بنقولها webbed feet. الwebbed feet دي لما بنلاقيها لو في الدك أو في الفروج أو في any other animals، الwebbed legs أو feet يبقى to help swim. حلو؟
Yes.
Okay. يبقى let's read it again. Number B. Its feet are
Wet.
لا.
Make
ده بيقول لك are not webbed.
or not wet, making it a poor swimmer.
طب حلو. هل هي لو هي poor swimmer يبقى can she adapt survive adapt predators?
No.
No, of course. طيب let's read the next one. It has
A long tongue.
tongue. Do you know the tongue?
To help it catch insects.
What is the tongue?
Okay. Yes.
The tongue is inside the mouth.
Yes, I know it.
Okay, nice. So if excellent يا مريم, you are very smart. Good job. Bravo. شطورة. Okay, now we have finished the revision. Okay, now I'm going to deal with just one topic. Okay, this topic is called the, what do you think? The let's see, we have finished this. We are going now to deal with the digestive system. Digestive system. Okay, we have all studied the digestive system and we have known that it consists of many, yes, organs. Organs, don't forget. We have cell and then tissue and then organ and then after organ system and after system body. افتكروا الاكزامبل اللي احنا قلناه, one brick, then one wall, one room, one apartment, and then the building. تمام? So let's go to the digestive system. Now we are going to watch a very nice video, okay? But before the video, I'm going to choose some of you to participate, okay? تعالوا نشوف حد لسه ما اشتركش معانا. اوكي, رقية. رقية, are you ready? رقية. رقية. Okay. Rudaina. Are you here, Rudaina?
Yes.
Thank God. Okay. Rudaina, and also I need Khadija.
Okay.
Are you here?
Yes.
Thank you, Khadija. يبقى I'm going also to use, I need, who's this? طيب. Let's start now. You are going to watch a very nice video and then I'm going to ask you some questions, okay?
Okay.
يلا, be ready.
Miss, we can't hear.
I can't hear it.
You can't hear?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, again, never mind. Let's go on. Now.
Enters your.
Wow, did you concentrate in the video? Khadija, I think, who's next? Ruqayya?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you concentrate?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Can we now discuss together what are the main parts of the digestive system? Let's start with Khadija, okay? What is the main part? طبعا أنا عندي any system. بصي. Any system and also the digestive system consists of many organs. حلو؟
Yes.
The first
Okay.
organ لازم نحفظهم بالترتيب. احنا أول حاجة لينا في الأكل عموما وعملية الهضم الdigestion يعني excellent. The mouth. Inside the mouth في how many parts بيفيدونا بقى؟ Number 1 عندي الteeth. Number 2 is the tongue. Yes, wait a minute. I'm going to come. And number 3 is the saliva. Yalla, let's start. What is the function of the teeth?
To chew the food.
Yes, to chew. طيب افرضي حد من أصحابنا هنا مش عارفين يعني إيه to chew. يبقى to cut or to break down into small
pieces.
Excellent. Okay, so to break down or to cut it into small pieces, to chew food or to cut it into small particles or small pieces. حلوة قوي. Nice. Okay, رقية. يا رقية. Okay, رقية is not here. Can you complete يا خديجة? خديجة.
Yes.
Can you tell me what is the function of the tongue? To send the cutted food, the cut food into the to send the broken down particles, okay, into the food pipe أو الفود pipe ده اسمه ايه؟ esophagus.
Okay.
Okay. And finally, what is the function of saliva?
Because it's like a.
What is saliva? It is a sort of water, صح?
Yes.
But
Yes,
not
I
only
know, but
water.
I don't know how to say it.
Okay, water with some enzymes, some chemicals. تمام؟ Okay, so this saliva, it moisten. بصي كلمة moisten يعني بترطب بتبل الأكل ده. تمام؟ It moisten our food to make it easy.
Make it like a juice.
Yes, to make it juicy or a little bit moisten to make it easy to swallow. Do you know this word? Swallow?
Yes.
This is a very important word. Swallow يعني نبلع. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you a lot. Thank you a lot. You were very helpful. Okay. What about Nuruddin Mahmoud? Nuruddin?
Yes.
Yes. And عندنا عمر أحمد. خليهم تاني بقى. طيب. Yes. What is the next organ? After mouth, what do you think, Yanur?
Respiratory system.
No. Inside the digestive system. Did you watch the
Okay.
video?
Yes.
What is the next organ?
After the mouth,
Yes.
the esophagus.
Yes, the esophagus. Okay. The esophagus also I can call it the food pipe. pipe يعني زي كأنه فكرة الماسورة. اوكي؟ احنا بنقول على البايبس اللي هي المواسير. فاحنا بنسميه esophagus of the food pipe. This food pipe constrict or what? Of what? Composed of what? عارف بيتكون من ايه؟
No.
It's a long pipe. ماشي هو كده طويل بياخد من أول الماوس بتاعنا. اوكي؟ Along to the next organ. السtomach برافو. This pipe consists of muscles. عضلات. cartilage وعضلات كده. عضلات وكمان cartilage زي حلقات كده. اوكي؟ circular cartilage. هنا ليه؟ بيفضل يكونتراكت. contract يعني يتضغط كده. contract ويريلاكس. حركتين مع بعض. يضغط ويسيب. يضغط ويسيب. ده هو كده ربنا خلقه. ليه؟ To let the food goes down into the stomach. اوكي يبقى هنا خلي بالك ده consist of muscles. muscles دي كلمة مهمة. يبقى تاني الاسophagus or the food pipe consist of mainly muscles. عارفين انا ليه بقول مهمة؟ عشان هو ممكن يجي يسألني اوكي يقول لي مين برضو المسؤول عن هضم الطعام غير الدايجستيف سيستم؟ انا عندي جهاز تاني او سيستم تاني اسمه muscular system. muscular system الجهاز اللي هو بتاع العضلات. ليه؟ لان even الاستومك برضو is a muscle. مش الاستومك دي فيها الاكل بيتحرك وبيتطحن وي this is a muscle. يبقى the next organ is the stomach. Okay, Noor, what do you think? How long the food stays in the stomach?
4 hours.
Excellent. Approximately 4 hours. تمام. And inside the stomach, okay, what happened to food?
Inside the stomach there is acidic juice.
Excellent. We have some acids or acidic juice. حلو. And there are also some enzymes. احنا برضو أخذنا كلمة enzymes دي في السلايفا. طيب. Some enzymes and acidic juice. تمام. دول الاثنين بيعملوا digestion بقى. يعني also completing, you know, breaking down particles into even smaller particles. بعد ما بيحصل هنا كده بيحصل some sort of absorption. Okay? Absorption للparticles دي to the blood. To the blood. بس is it full absorption؟ يعني كده خلصت خلاص digestion process؟
No.
No. يبقى this absorption is not complete absorption. خلاص it doesn't end yet. So what is the next step?
It goes to the small intestine. The food.
Excellent. Small intestine. حلو قوي. Okay. And when it arrives to small intestine في two organs هم مش تبع digestive system. هم بيساعدوا برضه. الليفر وايه؟
Liver and
no liver.
pancreas.
Excellent. Pancreas. Okay. pancreas. تمام. liver and pancreas. طيب الليفر والبانكرياس دول inside كأنهم بيحطوا الجوس بتاعتهم برضو. الاثنين بيطلعوا لنا جوس زي الاسيدك جوس. في عندي الليفر جوس والبانكرياتيك جوس. حلو. inside the small intestine وبرضو بيعملوا ايه؟ complete digestion و breaking down food into even smaller and smaller particles, and also it happens what? Again the absorption. صح؟
Yes.
يبقى some parts from the mouth بيحصل هنا digestion بالsaliva. Again and after then digestion في الstomach. Then في الsmall intestine. طيب فاضل لي another part of the digestive system which is
Large intestine.
حلو large intestine. اللارج intestine بقى يا جماعة وظيفتها حاجة مهمة جدا. It absorbs ايه؟
Absorbs water.
Yes, water. برافو عليك. يبقى it absorbs water. حلو؟ بعد ما بتعمل absorbs water فاضل لي حاجة اسمها undigested food. Yes, ال undigested food. تعالوا بقى نقول ايه؟
Go out.
لا لسه ما جوش out. لسه wait a minute. بصوا كده. I'm going to write it here. يبقى في اللارج intestine حصل absorption للwater. Absorption of water. حلو؟ after absorption للwater اللي اتبقى لي عندي اسمه undigest. What's wrong? حصلت مشكلة.
What?
Okay. We're going to wait, okay? أوبا. Okay. Erase. تعالوا نمسح اللي احنا عملناه ده الجميل. يلا. Let's go. Digested و undigested. Undigested food. تمام؟ أو particles. الأكل اللي ما اتهضمش بقى ومن غير الووتر ومن غير أي حاجة. ده اللي اتفضل حاجات مش مفيدة. أوكي؟ بنسميها wastes. wastes بنسميها ايه؟ we call it wastes. بتطلع في مكان اسمه الريكتم. rectum. okay? and it waits its turns to go out of the body. او بنسميها حاجة اسمها excretion. excretion يعني الإخراج. اوكي؟ يبقى الاكسكريشن تمام through the part which is called the anus. يبقى الخطوات دي لازم تبقوا فاهمينها. في large intestine absorption of water, then the undigested food is returned into the rectum تمام to go out of the body or to be excreted through the anus. Okay? طيب now are you ready to answer the question?
Yes.
Okay, نور وعمر صح؟
Yes.
عمر, can you start?
Sure.
Okay, read it and answer.
Yeah.
Which organ connects the mouth to the stomach?
Esophagus.
Excellent, Omar. Very nice. Okay. What about Noor? Noor ولا مروان?
No.
Noor?
Yes.
Noor, yes, Noor. What about the next question? This is the figure, okay? Figure يعني شكل. Structure. This is the figure which shows an organ of the human digestive system. What is the name of this organ?
Stomach.
stomach. عارف بيقولوا على ايه stomach؟ بيقولوا انها sac shape.
Yes. Keys.
يعني ايه sac؟
Keys.
عارف يعني ايه sac؟
Yes.
It's a structure like a bag.
Yes.
Okay? Okay. Let's see another friends. Thank you, Omar. And thank you. Okay. Let's see Kenda and Lily
Miss,
or Layla. I cannot read it properly. Okay, please mute yourself.
Yes.
Yes, Miss.
Kenda and Lily or Layla?
Layla.
Layla and Kenda, صح? Let's start with Kenda. Can you read the question, please?
Yes. In which part of the digestive system is water but not food absorbed into the body?
Okay. In which part of the digestive system the water is absorbed into the body? ما دام حاجة يا جماعة between brackets كده، بصوا ما دام between brackets يعني I can omit it. أنا ممكن أقدر أشيلها خالص. Okay? What do you think, Kinda? Large intestine. And the correct answer, Kinda. Thank you. Let's see, Layla. Can you read?
Yes.
Complete the sentence.
Absurd. Complete the sentence. The system is a group of organs that work together to break down food.
Okay. Which system is a group of organs work together to break down food? I think it's easy, huh? كل ده تفكير يا ليلى. Look with me. I have here many systems in the body. حلو. Digestive, circulatory. يعني ايه circulatory؟ يعني بصوا البلد والvessels اللي هي arteries والveins والheart. This is what is called circulatory system. Okay? طب الريبرودكتيف سيستم اللي احنا بنحصل منه reproduce. فاكرين كلمة reproduce يعني to get offspring. تمام. Okay, respiratory or respiratory. What is the respiratory system؟ اللي هو فيه lungs صح؟ والتراكية etc. يعني في organs ثانية. What about the nervous system? We have studied the nervous system in the class.
Nervous.
It consists of the brain and the spinal cord. فاكراه؟ And some nerves. Okay? يبقى البرين والspinal cord والnerves والsenses. Okay? Senses, these are the nervous system. Respiratory systems قلنا اللنجز والتراكية والبرونكاي وكده. والdiaphragm reproductive system اللي هو بنعمل منه we are getting offspring. Circulatory system عندنا البلد والvessels والheart. كل دول they doesn't work together to break down food. But what is the system that its organ work together to break down food? Which one? Yes, the first one, digestive system. So this is the correct answer. أنا هنا كنت بفرجكم إن هو remember this structure cell والtissue والorgan والsystem والbody. Okay, thank you, Layla. Okay, let's see another friend. You know, Farida. Yeah, Farida, are you here?
Yes.
Farida, are you here?
Yes.
And Judy, يلا عشان نخلص. And Judy, are you ready يا Judy? Farida, let's read this one. Complete the sentence. Big molecules molecules means particles. Okay?
نسيت مش شايفاه. اوكي.
ليه طيب؟ Okay, big molecules يعني big particles need to be broken down into small particles or molecules so that they can be into the blood. يبقى احنا we break the big particles or big molecules of food. تمام؟ into small molecules or into small particles or into small pieces. ليه بقى؟ To be into the blood. فريدة.
ايه.
To be digested into the blood. Think again. Think again. Into the blood يا فريدة. Into the blood. دي filtered؟ لا احنا قلنا to break food. ايوه to break food into small particles or molecules. ليه بقى؟ to get to absorb in blood. What absorb what? Food. Sorry, nutrient. فاكرة الكلمة دي؟ nutrient and also to absorb oxygen في ال respiratory system. In nutrient مع الأكسجين we get the energy. We get the energy. يبقى let's complete the sentence يا فريدة. Which the correct answer?
B.
Do. Yes, B. انتي صح على فكرة. دي كانت معمولة غلط. Thank you. فريدة انتي شطورة. Thank you. Who's next? مين معايا تاني؟ أنا فتحت المايك لمين؟ أنا فتحت المايك. Me. What's your name? Judy. Yes. يلا يا جودي. Read it. شايفة? Can you look at the picture? Very nice picture. A very big mouth, open mouth, and the teeth and the tongue. يلا.
Yeah.
Read. Read.
Food enters the digestive system through the mouth. What is the function of the tooth?
To roll the food into a bowl?
No. And
or
to move the jaw up and down.
طب read again. To add enzymes to the food ولا to break the food into smaller chunks?
To break the food into smaller chunks.
Excellent. Good job. Okay, go on and answer the last one. What liquid is added to the food in the mouth?
Saliva.
Yes, thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, Judy. Let's see another friend. Yes, Salma Karim Shams.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. I have here Muhammad Abdel Badia. Are you ready, Muhammad? And Adam, okay? Now, what type of tissue moves the food? Salma Karim, okay? What type of tissue moves the food through the digestive system? Bone tissue?
No.
Okay, Salma, look at this picture. خلاص? What makes system هم الorgans. واللي makes the organ التissue. صح؟
Yes.
Okay, طيب what type of tissue بقى that moves the food? مين المسؤول عن moving of the food through the digestive system? البون ولا المصل ولا البلد ولا النيرفس؟ What do you think? Moves. No.
Blood.
Think again. بصي بقول لك what type of tissue moves. Who is responsible for moving something?
Muscle.
If you want to move, for example, or you hold your phone, you use the blood or you use the bone or you use muscles. What do you think?
Muscles.
Yes, good job. كده برافو. لإيه بقى؟ لأن أنا عندي the word moves. Moves is related to the word muscle. تمام؟ إحنا قلنا إن الأسوفجس is consisted of some muscles. وقلنا برضو إن الstomach also is a muscle. تمام؟ يبقى what tissue or what type of tissues moves the food is the muscle. Okay? Thank you, Selma. Okay, who's next? أنا عندي آدم وعندي محمد عبد البديع. Are you ready? None of them.
Please, can I answer?
Who is this? محمد ولا آدم؟ آدم؟
عمر آسر.
عمر آسر. Wait يا عمر, ما they didn't answer. بس عمر أنت جاوبت يا عمر صح؟ Yes. No. خالص؟ Okay, go on. Which of the following organs is not a component of the digestive system?
Lungs.
Lungs, yes, because the lungs is a component of which system?
Respiratory system.
Respiratory system, excellent. But about the liver, large intestine, pancreas, and stomach, they are parts of the digestive system. Okay. Here, I think that's enough for today. Okay. We are going to continue, inshallah, the next time on Wednesday at 6 p.m. Okay? I'm going to wait for you. Okay. Does anybody have a question? Yasmin, do you have a question?
No.
Okay. I'm going to ask Ali. Where is Ali? Ali Ahmed. Okay. Ali Ahmed, do you have a question?
No.
Did you understand the lesson?
Yes.
And okay, where else? Abdullah, Ahmed Yusuf. All of you have questions, or why are you raising your hands? Do you want to answer, I think? Hamza? Hamza, do you have a question, or only you raising your hand?
I was want to answer, but
You wanted to answer. Okay. Never mind. Can you ask me any question, Tayyip? Any question that you are thinking about our lesson today?
I don't have a question.
Any question? Okay, I'm going to ask you. خلاص?
Okay.
If I see a bright color plant, okay, what does this equal or relate or indicate?
What?
What is the meaning of the plant, okay, if it is colorful?
It wants to the bees and the the bats, the insects to pollinate it.
يا سيدي برافو. To pollinate or pollination. برافو يا حمزة. You are concentrating with me. برافو عليك. Okay. Now let's finish for today because we have, extended for more than 2 hours, and I think that's very enough. Okay. And I hope I'm going to see you, inshallah, next Wednesday. And all those who didn't participate, please, when I see you at the school, please tell me. خلاص? Okay? Yalla. Goodbye. I love you
Bye.
all. I love you all.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. 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 Bye.